Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to limit the people who can contact you on Facebook and reach out to you in any other way. So open up Facebook and go to your profile right over here. Once we're in the three-line menu, just click on the gear icon. Here, just scroll a bit down and click on how people can find and contact you right here. Once you have this open, you have several options. Let's go one by one. Who can send you friend requests? If you want to limit people who can send you friend requests, just click friends of friends. Who can see your friend list? To hide your friend list, just click only me. Who can look up using the email address you provided? Click only me. Who can look you up using phone number you provided? Click only me. Do you want to search engines out of the Facebook to link to your profile? Disable this. Disable. And that's it. This is how to make your account as personal as it can get. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.